Hi, Rick Kessler, Remax Optima. When I was a new agent, I had this 4x6 card I pasted up over my telephone, just a little bit above my desk. I looked at it every day. I looked at it before I left the office every day. What it said on that card was, have I asked anybody today if they want to buy or sell real estate? If I was packing up for the day and I saw that card and the answer to that question was no, I unpacked, I sat back down, I started making a few calls. If you aren't doing this every day, you're not a real estate agent. You're not doing your job. So, challenge you. Take a card, put it on your desk, on your laptop, somewhere where you can see it before you leave at the end of the day, and ask yourself that question before you leave. Have a great one.